Hello student, I am going to start chapter 1 number system. Today is our second lecture. I will discuss on properties of integer. First, there are 5 properties of integer. First, closure property. In this, we are adding two integer, subtracting two integer, and multiplying two integer and dividing two integer. All four example we will take. Okay. First, on adding, on addition. First we see any integer we are taking a plus b equal to c. Okay, this is an example of closure property in addition. In subtraction, we are subtracting one integer to second integer, we get third integer. On subtraction, on multiplication, a into b, c. On divide, this is the example. Okay, this is formula. We are taking one example of all. On a we are taking 1, on b we are taking 2. Okay, 4 I am taking. First we put on addition. 4 plus 2 we got 6. Then on subtracting, 4 minus 2 we got 2. On multiplication, 4 into 2 we got 8. On divide, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, this is a example of closure property. We are using all addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, then we come to commutative property. In this, only addition and multiplication is followed, and subtraction and divide we cannot follow in this commutative property, because if we add two number, we got same number on this side. Okay, because a plus b are equal to b plus a. On addition, we are taking one example. 1 plus 2, or we are taking here a equal to 4, then we put 4 and 2, and here 2 plus 4, both are equal, and commutative property is follows. Okay, on subtracting, we cannot follow commutative property, because a minus b does not equal to b minus a. We can see example where which we have taken a equal to 4 and b equal to 2. See, 4 minus 2 does not equal to 2 minus 4, because here come 2 and in this we come minus 2. 2 is not equal to minus 2, because it is positive value and it is negative value. And on multiplying, on multiplication, we can follow this property A into B equal to B into A. We are taking one example, 4 into 2 and 2 into 4. Both are equal, 4 2 ja 8 and 2 4 ja 8. Both are equal, 8 and 8 equal. On dividing, 4 divided with 2 and 2 divided with 4. Okay. Here we can 4 divide with 2, then answer come. Here 4 divide with 2, 0.4 5 are 20, and here 2 2s are, then 0.5 and 2 is not equal. And we come to next property, associative property. In this, we also same computative property is follows in associative property, because A plus B plus C equal to C. Here we add A plus B and plus C. Okay. And second, because A minus B minus C does not follow A minus B minus C. Okay. Same example we will take, and in multiply we can follow. Okay. Both will come equally. In divide does not follow. Okay. In divide we not follow. Only this addition and multiplication, same we are taken in computative property example, same we will take, but we see C equal to 2 also, or we will take any number. Okay. We will take one is how to convert in addition. A will take 2, okay, B will take 2 and C will take 2. How will we solve? 2 plus 2, here 2 plus 2 plus 2. First we add in bracket, then we come to add out of bracket. Okay. The answer will come 6 6. Both are equal, but in minus we cannot follow. And in divide, and we are taking one example of divide, because in subtraction and division we cannot follow, then we will not take example. Only addition and multiplication we will take. We are taking example of multiplication. A into B into C, A into B into C. We are taken A, B, C all have 2, then 2 into 2 into 2, and same 2 into 2 into 2. First we into a bracket, 2 2s are 4, then we come to out of bracket, 4 to the 8 and 4 to the 8. Both are equal. We come to the fourth property, 0. 0 of property of 0. Okay, first we add 0, both we are taking here, and 0 plus a, then similar, and we are adding with 0, then come same value a and a. Okay, in minus a minus 0 and 0 minus a, then it coming a and it coming minus a. It does not follow. In multiply, it come other, we are multiplying any number with 0, then answer is coming only 0. Okay, then we dividing with 0. It comes same number, a divide with 0, then 0, then 0 divide with a, infinity, means ungiven. Okay, then we come to a last property, properties of 1. Okay, property of 1. In we are say about addition and subtraction. Here we are using one name, here addition successor. Okay, successor, we are known this about this both. Successor means +1 and predecessor means -1, which we are taking any number a, then we +1, then we are taking in subtraction, then -1. Okay, then we are multiplying, then 1 +1 will be increase, minus will be also increase. In multiplying any number with, then it remain. Dividing with 1, then it, if we divide, then we are taking in ratio, only multiplication will be followed in properties of 1. Thank you. All students write in their notebook. Okay, थैंक यू. आप इसे अपने कॉपी में भी लिख लीजिएगा. ठीक.